Clinical case that we love, huh? 35-year-old woman with a known history of systemic lupus erythematosus presents with several weeks of easy bruising and the appearance of pinpoint red spots, petechia, of her lower legs. Physical examination significant for splenomegaly. We've got a complete blood count confirms a platelet count of 45,000. Very low, normal 150,000 up to 450,000. What is the most likely mechanism responsible for here severe thrombocytopenia? Okay, let's go. Options: decreased platelet production in the bone marrow due to lupus activity, sequestration and destruction of antibody-coated platelets by enlarged spleen, that is, a direct toxic effect of her medication, hydroxychloroquine, on the bone marrow, consumption of platelets due to formation of microthrombi in small vessels. No, correct answer is this, B1, sequestration and destruction of antibody-coated platelets by enlarged spleen. So actually this question, very good question, asks the student to synthesize multiple pieces of information. The autoimmune disease, lupus erythematosus. The physical finding, splenomegaly, we've got, and the lab result, we've got a thrombocytopenia, to determine the underlying pathophysiology. So it's perfectly describes the process of autoimmune hypersplenism. So in lupus, the immune system produces autoantibodies that mistakenly tag the body's own cells as a foreign. In this case, antibodies coated the surface of her platelets, and the spleen job is to act as a filter, removing old or damaged blood cells. When it encounters these antibody-coated platelets, it recognizes them as abnormal and aggressively removes them from circulation. So this constant massive filtering job causes the spleen to work overtime and enlarge, splenomegaly. The enlarged spleen then becomes even more efficient at trapping and destroying these platelets, sequestration and destruction, leading to dangerously low platelet count, that is thrombocytopenia. So high yield takeaway, hypersplenism, splenomegaly, is a condition of overactive spleen leading to low blood cell counts. When it occurs in the context of autoimmune disease like lupus, the mechanism is the spleen's destruction of antibody-coated cells. The enlarged spleen is both as a consequence of the high workload and the cause the worsening cytopenia. Okay, get it? Great. Stay blessed.